Hi everyone, welcome back to the question answer discussion session. So today's question is, which of the following anti-HIV drug belonging to NNRTI category is an enzyme inhibitor? A choice nevirapine, B choice efavirenz, C choice etravirin, D choice dilavirdin, and E choice all of the above. So in one of our previous video we have did a detailed classification of anti-HIV drugs. So if you have not watched that video, please watch it. The link to that video I will be giving it in the description box. So please watch it. I have given the detailed classification of anti-HIV drugs. Now, one of the anti-HIV drugs which I have explained there is belonging to NNRTI category. Now, what is NNRTI category? So they are basically an anti-HIV category of drugs called as non-nucleoside reverse transcriptase inhibitor. This is one of the important anti-HIV drugs called as non-nucleoside reverse transcriptase inhibitor. So which are the drugs belonging to that NNRTI category? We have already discussed in the previous video. NNRTI could be classified into two categories. There is a first generation NNRTI, the second generation NNRTI. Now, which are the drugs belonging to first generation NNRTI? That is, one is nevirapine, the second is efavirenz, the third important one is dilavirdin. So these three drugs belong to the first generation NNRTI, whereas the second generation NNRTI, the important drug is etravirin. Also other drugs are there, rilpivirine. I have explained it in that previous video. So these are the four important drugs which belongs to NNRTI category. Now you can remember this mnemonic NEED, N-E-E-D, whereas N stands for nevirapine, E stands for efavirenz, the second E stands for etravirin, D stands for dilavirdin. So all of these are the four important NNRTI drugs. Now, out of these four important NNRTI drugs, nevirapine is an enzyme inducer. It is an enzyme inducer, whereas efavirenz is also an enzyme inducer. It's an enzyme inducer. Etravirin is also an enzyme inducer, whereas dilavirdin is an enzyme inhibitor. So all this, out of these four drugs, the first three drugs, nevirapine, efavirenz and etravirin, they are all enzyme inducers, whereas the dilavirdin is an enzyme inhibitor. Okay, now coming to the question, which of the following anti-HIV drug belonging to NNRTI category is an enzyme inhibitor? As I told you, you can remember this mnemonics NEED. In this NEED, the first three drugs are enzyme inducer, whereas dilavirdin is an enzyme inhibitor. So the correct answer would be D choice, dilavirdin. Thank you.